Hi, my name is Paul Miskimen. I'm the park supervisor at the City of Lakeville. And today we're here at Aronson Park to look at our new ball field groomer. The city has recently purchased an ABI Force ball field grooming machine. This is new to our fleet this spring. And what it allows us to do is do a much better job grading our fields after play and maintaining the fields for future play as well. The ABI Force is a purpose-built machine designed specifically to maintain ball field infields in skinned areas. One addition that we have added on to this machine is the capability to do laser grading. And that is the feature that is really something that we wanted to leverage by buying this platform. We have a lot of low areas on the ball field or a lot of high areas. We can shoot those grades with the laser, identify those, put that into the computer. The computer will then generate the perfect surface for us to be nice and flat. Once that data is inputted into the machine, the operator will then simply just drive the machine around the field, and the laser will take over operation of the grading bar, which will set the level of the ball field, filling in the low spots and cutting out the high spots. In the past, in order to maintain the fields, the city would contract out that work. With that came the cost, and it would end up to where we support maybe one field a year, possibly two at the most. And when we have multiple fields across the city, it was a long process to get through them all to make them playable and safe. Now that we have this machine and this technology, we're able to do that work with our own skilled staff. The hope is that we're going to be able to get on more fields than just one or two a year, expediting our ability to maintain all of our fields to a higher level.